The universe exists. It follows laws. It unfolds through time, and within it, observers arise, beings capable of witnessing reality. But does observation simply reveal the universe, or does it help shape it? The universe exists. It follows laws. It unfolds through time. Galaxies form, stars ignite, planets take shape from cosmic dust. Reality evolves whether we are present to witness it or not. Or at least, that's how it appears. But modern physics introduces a subtle question, one that blurs the line between observation and reality itself. At the smallest scales, the universe behaves in ways that defy intuition. Particles do not always occupy definite positions. They exist as probabilities, as potentialities, as waves of possibility. Until something happens, a measurement, an interaction, an observation, and suddenly, possibility becomes outcome. This is often called the measurement problem. In quantum mechanics, systems evolve as superpositions, multiple potential states at once. But when observed, only one result appears. Why? What determines the outcome? And what role, if any, does observation play? Some interpretations suggest that measurement alone is enough, that interaction with the environment causes quantum states to settle into definite outcomes. No observer required, just physical processes unfolding naturally. But other interpretations raise deeper questions. They suggest that observation, the act of acquiring information, may be inseparable from the formation of reality as we experience it. This does not mean that human minds create the universe. Stars existed long before observers. Galaxies formed in darkness, unwitnessed. But it does challenge a simpler assumption, that reality is fully defined independent of all observation. In certain quantum experiments, particles behave differently depending on whether they are measured. The mere presence of a detector changes the outcome. Possibility narrows into actuality. Does this mean observation shapes reality, or does it simply reveal what was already determined? Physics does not yet give a single answer. Different interpretations offer different pictures. In the Copenhagen interpretation, quantum systems do not possess definite properties until measured. Observation finalizes the state. In many worlds interpretations, every possibility occurs, and observation determines which branch we experience. In objective collapse theories, states resolve spontaneously without observers. Reality settles itself. Each interpretation preserves the mathematics, but they differ in what they say about observation, about whether reality is complete without being witnessed. This leads to a deeper philosophical question. Is the universe fully defined in the absence of observers? Or does observation play a structural role in how reality manifests? On human scales, the universe appears stable and independent. Mountains exist whether we see them or not. Stars shine whether anyone watches. Reality feels observer independent. But at quantum scales, certainty dissolves into probability, and observation becomes entangled with outcome. This tension leaves us with an unusual picture, a universe that evolves objectively, yet reveals itself probabilistically, a reality that exists but only becomes definite through interaction. And this brings us back to consciousness. If observers are required for certain aspects of reality to become defined, what role does awareness play? Are observers simply physical systems interacting with quantum fields, or does conscious observation introduce something unique? Physics, as it stands, does not require consciousness for measurement. Detectors suffice. Interaction is enough. Yet the philosophical question lingers because every measurement we know of and is ultimately experienced within awareness. Every observation ends in consciousness. The universe produces observers, beings capable of witnessing reality, recording it, reflecting on it, modeling it. But does the universe need them? Perhaps reality would unfold identically in the absence of all awareness. Stars would form, entropy would increase, time would move forward, unobserved but unchanged. Or perhaps observation is part of how reality becomes structured, not creating the universe, but participating in how it manifests. We don't yet know which picture is correct. Physics describes the mechanics of measurement, but the philosophical implications remain open. Does the universe need observers? Probably not to exist, but perhaps to be known. Without observers, there would be no questions, no theories, no meaning assigned to structure. Reality would unfold, but silently. And yet, within this vast unfolding process, observers have arisen, points of awareness capable of witnessing the cosmos that produced them. In that sense, the universe does not merely exist, it observes itself, through us. Does observation shape reality or simply illuminate it? We don't yet have an answer, but the question reveals something profound. The universe evolves, and within it, awareness arises capable of asking whether it was needed at all.